What's going on, everybody? I'm Aaron.
And I'm Katie.
And today for Thrifty Thursday, Katie, tell them what we're making.
We are making little dioramas.
Disney dioramas.
In a jar.
So, Katie, what Disney characters are you wanting to use or show?
I am using the classical style of Minnie and Mickey.
And I am using DuckTales. Awoo!
And they're monochromed.
Yeah, so yours will do well as like a kind of nod to the oldies.
With color.
Whereas mine's
color.
a nod to the 80s. I don't know where I was going with that. But anyway, we will need... we'll need jars. Some decorations if you're going to use them. You want to at least use a little bit of foam for your background. I'm using some gemstones because, you know, Scrooge McDuck is a greedy guy. You can use this foam if you want to, but I've already got everything I need. I'm going with a little bit of plant life here to kind of make it look like it's in a forest. Because they spent a lot of time out and about.
Oh, that stinks.
Yeah, you'll need some cork board for the bottom. A hot glue gun, which hopefully I won't accidentally try to glue myself to myself anymore. That was terrible, and I couldn't do the T-Rex thing for me because Mom was like, and that's all. Like 2 seconds of that. The moss and the cork board. I think we got everything right.
Yep, and you'll need a marker to trace the shape of the jar.
Yep.
To fit that, if you want it to be a clean cut. If not, you can just do it however you want.
Yeah, I think I might do mine in a square. That just might work out better. I don't know. But anyway, Katie, you ready to get started?
Yep.
All right, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is, like you said, take our cork and...
because that's going to be the base that you're going to start with.
So I'm going to go ahead and try to cut us out a couple of squares here.
I might go with a circle so you can cut your square.
Yeah, I'm going to cut a square and then you can...
If I was crafty enough, I'd do a heart.
Okay, let's see.
Mine's going to be a romance scene.
There. I'm probably going to end up doing like you said, just cut a circle. Because that just broke off in my hand while I was sitting there working on it, so... I've got a pair of scissors here, so that doesn't matter. I will need a marker, though, so sorry.
Should I try to do a heart?
You could. Alright, let's see. So, you basically want to cut your bottom out just to be prepared, like Scar says. There. And we'll cut this out now. And that gives us time for our hot glue gun to kind of set up and get ready. Remember, it doesn't have to be a perfect circle.
That was the lousiest heart, I think. Oh no! I've ever drawn.
You markered yourself?
Yes, I markered myself, so I'm just gonna do a circle.
You like big marker?
Yeah.
Alright, so there we go. That's pretty good for that. Alright, let me see. Is our hot glue gun ready yet?
Oh no, is it?
Yep. So, first thing I want to do is ignore Katie. Katie's being a mean poopy pants today.
Ah! This is so hard to cut.
Yeah, those scissors are not good for that. So take a little bit of that moss there, and I want to glue it in place, as I do with everything, you know, hot glue everything. Hot glue all the things. Just kind of glue it.
Just broke my scissors.
Did you? Oh my god! I've never seen that happen before.
This proves I'm accident prone.
Yeah, well, you're not as bad as me, you know. Well, you did hot glue yourself one time, so.
What am I supposed to do?
What am I supposed to do? Don't know where I was going with that, but. Alright, so there's that. Let's see how that's going to close on top. Alright. So my next step here, now that I've got my first two in place, is I'm going to try to hot glue
I'm struggling.
some plant life here to the top of my...
He really wasn't kidding about ignoring me.
Yeah. You need help? Let me kind of get over here real quick.
Yeah.
All right, here. I'll take over that. All right, let me try to trim off a couple little pieces there. Almost hot glued myself to myself again. Or to my craft, I should say.
I get that you want to put yourself into this craft, but let's not
I put myself into my art. It's a struggle, you know. I was gonna look and see if I had some stuff to make trees out of in here, but you know what? Never mind.
Why don't you use wire?
The
Pipe cleaners.
pipe cleaners. I ain't worried about it at this point. I'm just ready to not try to burn myself and not struggle, you know. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to take a couple of gemstones and just kind of keep them loose in there. Right in front of Scrooge McDuck and his friend Gizmo Duck.
Ooh, I got some hot glue.
Alright, now that I know where that's going to be, alright, I need to get the glue stick in there. Course. There we go. So I'm just trying to get the glue in place so that when I put the jar down, it actually stays in place. I accidentally just tried to glue myself to a gemstone. I hate hot glue anymore. Are you seriously still trying to?
You can tell these scissors were cheap.
Yep. This is not working out. Apparently my gemstones decided to roll and there. We'll put them.
Time.
Yeah. All right. There. My jar is now in place and holding everything.
The key to success is learning through failure.
Yeah, and burning yourself with hot glue,
That too.
which I just almost did again. Luckily, we didn't use the very hot glue gun. Yeah, you got lucky there. You got the peeling stick. I should have used that.
There's still some left, but it's too late now.
Yeah, too late now. I've already sealed mine. So
I still have to glue them in place.
when you see mine, you're gonna be like, that looks like something off of a cartoon. When you see Katie's, you're gonna be like, that looks cute and adorable and cartoonish. So in other words, you'll say the same thing for probably both. Alright, now you got to cut off the excess, right?
Yep.
So as you can see here, Katie is hopefully getting the paper to stick pretty well.
Yeah, I was getting the bubbles out.
Yeah.
I have tiny hands, so I can do that.
Yeah, she actually has tiny hands. I've got bare paws, so you know it's like I can't really do a lot of the easy peasy lemon squeezy stuff.
Oops.
Katie's got a friend. Other than me now, so you know.
It actually wasn't Chicken Nugget.
It wasn't Chicken Nugget? Was it?
Friend in England.
Nah, okay. Hey England. I bet they don't even watch the channel, do they?
I don't know. I'll have to ask her.
Did you tell her about the channel?
Yes, I should have.
Okay, I need to stop. This sounds like I'm interrogating Katie whether or not she's a good co-host or not.
He is. My life depends on this.
At least you haven't burned anything like I have today. I glued a gemstone to my finger.
He was just trying to be fancy.
Yeah, you already know. I can't wait to see how yours turns out, because did you put the moon in there, or?
I'm about to. I'm trying to get them together.
Yeah. Just a dab. You're not going to dab with a hot glue gun.
No, I gotta do the CL style.
Yeah, that was funny. I invented a dance move.
It's called the roll dab.
Never would have.
The rolling dab.
Yeah, the rolling dab.
Oh,
All right.
I think that through.
That still looks good. You know, you gotta think of it like a cartoon. Yeah, it's not quite. But it's okay. It's a cartoon. Doesn't have to be perfect.
Yes,
We're not aiming for perfection. Dolce and Gabbana. Yeah, sorry. That was me being silly. So, I don't know if you've noticed this, but whenever we really start working on some of our crafts, it's always usually like dioramas and stuff. We really like doing dioramas. I mean, or like character globes, you know. I'm just gonna leave mine like that.
I'm just doing some last minute trimming.
You know, now that you kind of show me that, I'm just gonna see if I can peel my excess off.
I wouldn't do that.
Well, my jar's not holding anyway, so.
Okay, I'm ready.
You ready to reveal yours? All right, Katie, show yours off.
I have Minnie and Mickey kissing noses under the moonlight.
And I have Scrooge and Gizmo Duck guarding some jewels that they just found in a forest. So, these actually turned out pretty good. I like these. The only thing I don't like is the fact that, you know, I may have to go in and redo some hot glue. Oh no, my jewels just rolled around. But other than that, that just sounded so inappropriate. But anyway, Katie, what did you think of this craft?
It was nice.
Other than my jewels rolling around?
Yeah.
It's not too hard to do. The only thing I will say is that the jars don't hold well on with the hot glue. And it could be because I just, you know, picked it up earlier, or it could be just it's uneven for me. I don't know. But I really enjoyed doing this, and I didn't burn myself as badly as I did, you know, what was it, 2 times before when making dragonflies?
Butterflies.
Yeah, butterflies. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Leave a comment below. Let us know what you thought of our jars, or what you'd like to see us do next. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, and hit that bell icon. So, did you like today's video? If so, click right here around Peter to subscribe.
If you want to see our last episode, click here.
Yeah. If you want to see something else, you can always click on me. Oh, that tickles. Stop. Stop. Seriously, just stop. Stop it.